The PMI SmokeNINJA portable fog machine delivers surprisingly dense and controllable smoke from a very compact handheld body, making it easy to hide on set or within props for convincing effects. Its three distinct output modes mimic everything from a light mist to a heavier, low-lying haze, so photographers and filmmakers can fine-tune atmosphere without swapping gear. Because it sips fluid very slowly, yet runs for long stretches, it is well suited to longer shoots, events, or rehearsals where constant refilling would be a hassle. The included remote control and flexible mounting options, including magnetic and threaded attachments, make it simple to position the unit almost anywhere you need smoke to appear. Users who care about health and cleanliness will appreciate that the machine is engineered for clean, odor-free vapor and has been independently tested for safety around performers. The full kit bundles the fogger, fluid, specialized nozzles, mounting adapters, and a fitted case, so it arrives ready for serious creative work right out of the box.